Malika. Second day home. We had to wake her up because she can't be sleeping all day and keep us up all night. She's outside. And this is outside. What's that, ma'am? Malika. Come on, honey. Come on, Malika. Come on, honey. Malika. 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 Come on. Oh, you're more interested in the curtain, aren't you? Huh? Malika. Come on. Malika. Malika. Psst, psst, psst. Come here, honey. Malika. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Little sleepy girl. You're gonna sleep tonight. Malika. Where are you going? Of all places to go. Of course, you gotta do the perimeter, right? Nope, nope, nope. That would be a no-no. No. Malika. Tss, no. No. Tss, 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 tss. No, ma'am. Come on, honey. Tss. Good girl. Good girl. Second day home, first day out. Your dog's barking. Cars going by. Birds. Yes, ma'am. Good girl, Malika. Good girl. Yes, my ma'am. Yep. Do the perimeter. Good girl. It's my good girl. Not a big backyard, but enough for her and Zumani when we get him home. Come on, honey. Call her, Bri.
Malika. Malika.
Call her again. Oh, there goes the air conditioner. Another sound. Trying to get her over to being skittish. It's okay, May. Let's go. Come on. Come on, little ma'am. On the green. There you go. It's my 15-week-old baby. She's behaving so well. Coming or going, little ma'am? Uh-oh. Sorry, little girl. Okay, back in the house. Very cool. Do you want to go in or do you want to stay out? That is the question. And we're going for a walk. Very nice. Up. Oh. Budge. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And she will never be out here without a leash and a harness. So there's no way she'll get out. We'll have complete control over her. But this is the stages of her training, just in the backyard first, and getting used to loud noises and all kinds of noises. And then we will move to walking her around the neighborhood. There's a lot of people that walk their dogs around the neighborhood, so. And we have somebody coming by with a dog. She's already been introduced to dogs, but at her breeder's house. But she will also be introduced to other dogs. So hopefully we'll be able to take her anywhere, anytime, whether there's dogs or people or anything, and she'll be totally cool with it. And we plan on training both her and Zumani this way. And we will be documenting the whole time. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.